Welcome to Smartsheet, the AI-powered collaborative work management platform. Today, we're going to build together and get you up and running fast, so you can use the AI-powered capabilities in Smartsheet to innovate, collaborate, and drive results, regardless of the industry you work in, whether you're managing hundreds of projects or flying solo. But before we do, let's address the elephant in the room. Nope, a way bigger elephant than that. Why is managing work so much work? Well, teams share a lot of data in a lot of different formats. Files, dashboards, reports, projects, conversations, AI functionality, the list goes on and on. And when you're trying to manage all of this across all of this, you end up using some of the right tools for the wrong way to work. So, join us for something better here in Smartsheet. Smartsheet is where streamlined clarity and simplicity reign supreme, and all the other important buzzwords too. It's where people closest to the problems can instantly analyze trends or visualize their data in new ways, embed their findings on intuitive dashboards, and automate workflows so they can do it all again, even faster next time. But hey, don't take our word for it. Millions of users from hundreds of industries use Smartsheet every day to do all of that and more. So let's dive in and find out how. Smartsheet is where you have the flexibility to work your way. Tackling a solo project? We got you. No, seriously. Let's build a simple project tracker in 30 seconds or less. First, we'll add a primary column. It's the primary descriptor for each row in our tracker. Next, we'll add a color-coded drop-down column for quick status updates, a contact column for accountability, and several date columns to track milestones. Okay, how are we on time?
10 seconds.
Nice. So let's punch this up with some symbol columns to make it skimmable, some collaborators with the right permissions, and boom! This sheet is the foundation of all of your work in Smartsheet. But I know what you're thinking. I'm managing workflows across teams. Piece of cake. With tools for tasks, documentation, and collaboration, your teams stay connected without all the meetings, random updates, and buzzer beater deadlines.
The shot is up.
No more roadblocks. Work just keeps on moving. Smartsheet also plays nice with the apps you already use. Data flows from one application to the other, and you can scale it till your heart's content, knowing your data is locked down by enterprise-grade security. So, let's see it in action. Remember our project tracker? Yeah, it's looking a little different now. We're managing work across teams, remember? Allow us to inform you how. No, literally. One of our collaborators created an intake form with all the relevant fields required to track requests. As requests come in, they automatically populate our tracker. You can click to view the attachments. If you have questions, just @mention your team to hash out the details. Plus, you can access all your work in different views. Table view is a great place to start. Think of it as the North Star that keeps everything in sync, acting as the central identifier for every row of work. If your team works in an Agile or Kanban-style workflow, Board View is perfect for you. It lets you visualize work as cards that you can move across different lanes. Timeline View gives you a clean, high-level look at your schedule. It's a great option for when you want to communicate project milestones or major phases to stakeholders. Because Smartsheet is built on a flexible data model, our tracker flows to reports and dashboards that some of our teammates have built within our workspace. Let's take a look. Our dashboard displays everything we might want to know about the projects we're tracking, including budget, department, allocation, and recently completed projects, sorted by budget. Nice work, team! Smartsheet is where automation is automatic. With just a few clicks, automations will request updates, manage approvals, and send notifications. So you don't have to be the bad guy. It takes care of the tedious stuff, like moving tasks between workflows or archiving projects, so you can focus on what matters, doing actual work. Let's dive deeper into the AI-powered tools. Just say what you want. In Smartsheet, AI creates dashboard widgets, formulas, and summaries. Let's try a simple example. Back in our project tracker, we can use AI to consolidate the data in our sheet. Let's use it to generate a formula to show us the amount of days left until each task is due. Now, we can hide our start and end date columns to make things cleaner. Much better. Smartsheet is where collaboration feels effortless. Unlike old-school project management tools built for managers, Smartsheet empowers everyone to contribute. Permission-based views ensure people only see what they need to. Collaborating inside proofs ensures feedback stays in one place, expediting content creation and approvals. Built-in chats and file sharing keep teams aligned. Plus, features like user permissions, audit trails, and data residency keep your information protected so you can manage work at scale and speed. Smartsheet is where the complex is simplified. Kind of like when birds do those crazy aerial maneuvers.
This phenomenon is called a murmuration. At an abstract level, murmurations represent the collective motion of any large number of self-propelled objects.
Yeah, a murmuration. The point is, all your teams march to the same beat, with capabilities like resource management and real-time reporting. Smartsheet is where, and I can't stress this enough, growth is unlimited. Let's revisit the initial project tracker we built. What if you wanted to bundle up the tracker and the other core assets in your workspace, like that awesome dashboard, and launch them to thousands of teams worldwide? Large-scale portfolio management makes that possible. With the click of a button, you've just unleashed the network effects of Smartsheet, leveling up the rest of your organization. Smartsheet scales with you, no matter how high you go. So, welcome to AI-powered enterprise-grade work management. Welcome to doing more with less effort. This is Smartsheet.